Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam. If you've never been here before, you're very welcome and I hope you stay. If you're a returning viewer, then welcome right back. So today I decided to do a video on good lippies for dark skinned women, brown skinned women, all the brown skinned girls, you know. So I'm actually gonna be doing all drugstore lip products, and if you're interested in seeing the video, then keep on watching. So to begin, I'm actually gonna take off what I actually have on my lips, just using a makeup wipe. So to begin, I am gonna be taking my NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. So I'm just gonna use the liner to line my lips. And for the first product, I'm gonna be going with the brightest color that I have right now. And then I'm gonna be going into more neutrals and then glosses. So the only color lipstick that I have for today is the color Riche in 347 Hot Rouge. And it's matte. It's from L'Oreal. And this is what it looks like. Very nice, very clean. I haven't even used it yet. So pretty. So I'm just gonna put this on. Oh, it's got that lipstick scent. I don't like that lipstick scent. Anyways, the color is very nice though. This is nice. I like this. And it's creamy. It's very creamy despite the fact that it says it's matte. I'm not complaining. Some mattes be so dry, your lips be like the desert. Like it's cracking. I don't like that. So this is like, it's like a Riche creamy matte type of formula. It's very nice. I actually like the coverage. This is why I went dark, because I wanted to see the coverage, because some red lipsticks, like my top lip is a different shade from my bottom lip, so they'll like that will come through when I put on a lip product. I'm gonna line my lips again with the NYX lip liner. For the next product, I am going to use one of my favorite drugstore liquid lipsticks that are nude, and it's the NYX Lingerie in it's number 10. It doesn't have a name, but this is what it looks like. This, baby, listen, if you need a nude lipstick on a budget, or you just don't want to spend all that coin, this NYX Lingerie in shade number 10, this, baby, this way it's at. Look at this, guys. So beautiful. And this does dry a bit matte. Like as time progresses, it does get a bit matte. So you could like put a bit of lip gloss or a bit of Vaseline if you don't want it to be glossy, but you still want it to be comfortable matte. But this is very gorgeous. This is like a nice neutral, and as you can see, it pairs really well with my eye makeup. This is very nice for if your eyes are too glam and you want to keep your lips neutral, or you just want to have like a neutral lip product. This is definitely it. And it just complements brown skin tone so well. So next, I'm gonna be using the Burts Bees Suede Splash in 502. So this is what it kind of looks like. As you can see, it's quite sheer, but with multiple applies, it does get a bit more opaque. This is actually very nice. This actually could go as a lip tint, or in like, instead of chapstick you could use this instead. The color is very nice. It does have some berry tones peeking through. It's still very nice. It's very nude, very comfortable. It's not dry and matte. It's like a comfortable soft velvet matte type of feel. Yeah, it's very nice. This is actually really great. So next is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Dubai. This one is a really good one. Very affordable, very nice. Lasts long. It's like a long-lasting product. And as you can see, this is more of like a soft brown. Ooh, this is so pretty. I think I'm running out of product. Man, NYX have the best lip products drugstore wise. I feel like NYX is like killing it at this game. Do not slumber on NYX. They killing this game, yo. Look at this. Oh, ooh, it looks just like my eyeshadow. Let's pop that. But yeah, this is like very comfortable, as it said on the label. It's a soft matte. Next, I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline liquid lipstick. Oh, Super Stain Matte Ink in shade Amazonian, which is a 70. This baby right here. Oh, she's bright. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells like candy. I like it. This color is actually really great. It's very bright, so you do need to line your lips really well. For me, the matte is too much, too intense. So for this, I would got Vaseline. I would put Vaseline on top, but it feels like, see that it's moving around so much, it's not staying put. So this one is a bit tricky. If you like that matteness, this is definitely good, because I feel like applying Vaseline on top makes it look patchy. But if you do not like that, all that matteness, I'm not sure if using Vaseline or a lip gloss would help so much, because it makes it like the product doesn't stay together. It kind of like splits up. But it's a very beautiful shade. This is the L'Oreal Paris liquid lipstick in the shade Explore 428. This has a very watery, liquidy application, like the formula, and it's very cool. It's like a toned down version of the Amazonian Maybelline one. I really, really, really love this. This is just mwah, gorgeous. Your lips look immaculate, kissable, plump, juicy, healthy, all of the above. I really like this. Oh my gosh. Yes, come through. This one doesn't dry that type of matteness. It's like a comfortable matte. but it is optional. If you want to put like a top lip gloss layer, and then you could definitely go for that. So a famous NYX butter gloss is the Ginger Snap, and this baby right here, this you put this on, you can conquer the world. It's very nice. It smells like caramel. So this it has a bit of color, but it's like a gloss. So this like it's like a 2-in-1. So instead of getting like a lipstick and then a gloss on top, you could just get that. And then you could be using, it's like a dual purpose use. It's really nice. Very nice, shiny, beautiful. I got this when I was in the UK, so I'm not sure if it's available in America, maybe online. I'm not sure. I've never seen it in America. But it's Color Shine Lip Lacquer by Autograph in the shade Sorbet. Is that a silent T? But this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. This kind of reminds me of is it Dior? Dior has a similar lip gloss to this color shade. It's just a dupe. That applicator, what? Look at it. Look at this. Look at the. It smells like those elementary erasers that smell like candy, but they got that chemically scent afterwards. Ooh, it's thick. Ooh, this is nice. This would be gorgeous on like a summer's day when the sun is shining on you, and then you pop out that lip gloss popping. Ooh, this is, ooh, I like this. Could blind some people with the lip gloss. But yeah, so that's it for my try on today. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, excuse me. Also, leave down in the comments below whatever shade that you liked, or a shade that you use that's beneficial to someone else, or just you just want to leave something in the comment. Make sure to do that. Don't forget to tune in to my next videos, and thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.